Hi, first graders. I hope you're all doing well. Today for math, we are going to solve another word problem that has 3 addends. So remember, addends are the numbers that you add. So I'm going to read the word problem to you, and then we'll read it a second time together. So listen while I read. How many flowers? Rosa was picking flowers. She picked 8 yellow flowers. Then she picked 1 red flower. Then she picked 2 white flowers. How many flowers did she pick? Okay, now you read it with me. How many flowers? Rosa was picking flowers. She picked 8 yellow flowers. Then she picked 1 red flower. Then she picked 2 white flowers. How many flowers did she pick? Okay, so just like before, if you can pause the video and grab a piece of paper and a pencil and divide your paper into 4 parts. And then when you're ready, you can press play and we will continue. Okay, so one strategy that we can use when we solve a problem with 3 addends, an addition problem with 3 addends, is to draw a picture. So if you think of the 3 parts, there's 8, 1, and 2. Those are the 3 parts. Those are the 3 addends. So it's going to take me too long to draw flowers. So I'm going to draw circles to represent the flowers. So first part was 8. So I'm going to draw 8 circles. So you do the same on your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And always double check your counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the next part was 1 flower. So remember, she picked 1 red flower, and then she picked 2 white flowers. So that will be the next part. So we had 8 flowers, 1 flower, and then 2 flowers. Okay, so now that I have my 3 parts, the drawing a picture strategy, now we just count them up. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 flowers. Okay? So just by counting up, we get 11. Now, another strategy we can do is to write an equation and look for a friendly 10. So again, our 3 addends are 8, 1, and 2. So you write your equation with me. 8 plus 1 plus 2 equals. Now I want you to look at those 3 addends and see if you see 2 numbers that add up to 10. Does 8 and 1 add to 10? Does 1 and 2 add up to be 10? Does 8 plus 2 add up to be 10? Think about for a minute. Is there a friendly 10? I think there is. I see 8 and 2 equals 10. So those put together equal 10. Now 10 is not our answer because don't forget that other addend. Remember, you're adding 3 numbers. So we already added 8 plus 2, we got 10. Now 10 plus 1, we know right away that's 11. Because adding a number to 10 is easy and fast. That's why we look for friendly 10. A friendly 10 in our equation. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Okay, now we can also show our work with a number bond. And remember, the 3 parts are 8, 1, and 2. So again, we have 8 and 2 make 10, plus 1 is 11. So our total goes in that larger circle at the top of the number bond. And another way we can show our work is by making 10 frames. So again, you make a 10 frame by drawing a long skinny rectangle. Then draw 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a line across the middle to make 10. And then double check to make sure there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, you always start at the top and go left to right, just like how you read. And then we're going to make another 10 frame Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then draw the line across the middle, and then double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Again, if you need more time, pause the video and you can catch up, okay, if I'm going too fast for you. So if you're still drawing your 10 frames, pause the video, and then when you're ready, you can press play. Okay, so the first part was 8. So we're going to draw 8 circles. And we're going to start from the top and go left to right and not skip any spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our other part was 1, and then our other part was 2. Now, remember, I'm not going to skip any spaces, so there's my 1 for that part, 1, and then there was 2 more. 1, 2. Okay. Now, remember, when you have a 10 frame that's filled, you don't need to count each one, because we know if a 10 frame is filled, it's 10. So say it with me. 10, 11. So there's our total. Okay, so if we go back to the question, we can now answer the question, how many flowers did she pick? She picked 11 flowers. And there's different ways we can solve this problem, different strategies. We can draw a picture and count up the circles. We can make an equation and look for a friendly 10. We can show our work with a number bond and with a 10 frame. Okay, first graders, that's it for today. We'll see you again next time. Take care.